In this tutorial we will learn how to create neon text effect in Photoshop. Can be a great way to add vibrant and eye-catching text or graphics to your designs. Here's a guide on how to achieve a basic neon effect. Right-click on the layer. Choose the Convert to Smart Object. Again, right-click on the text layer and choose the Blending option. Then, go to Inner Glow, follow the settings. Blend mode, hard light. Set the opacity, 20%. Set the noise 0%. Change the color 7200 ff. Click OK. Technique Softer. Click here, follow the settings. Set the input 48%, output 62%, and click OK. Go to Outer Glow. Blend mode, linear dodge add. Set the opacity, 80%. Set the noise 0%. Change the color 9600 ff. Click OK. Set the size, 20%. Click on the contour, follow the settings. When you finish, click OK. Set the range, 50%. Click OK. Right-click on the layer. You can also duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. Click on the duplicate layer, click OK. Drag it down. Right-click on the layer, click on the Blending option. Uncheck Inner Glow. Select Stroke. Follow the settings. Position inside. Go to Outer Glow. Set the size 250 pixel. Set the range 25%. If you happy, click OK. Now, let's delete Inner Glow. Right-click on the layer. Click Blending option. Now come to Drop Shadow. Blend mode, linear light, and follow the settings. Set the opacity 10%. Set the distance 45%. Set the spread 20%. Set the size 10%. Click OK. You can repeat the same, or you can add line and play around with the settings until you achieve the desired neon effect. Or you can copy the layer style, paste it on the new layer that you have created, or repeat the same settings with each layer. To support my channel and help me create more tutorials, here is the before, and here is the after. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.